Hello everyone, I am Shivali Yadav from Banasi Das Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy. Today I will demonstrate few pelvic floor exercises. जो pelvic floor muscles होती हैं वो हमारे pelvic organs को support करती हैं और help करते हैं यूरिन और fecal movement को control करने में. कुछ फैक्टर्स हैं जिनकी वजह से हमारी pelvic floor muscles जो होती हैं वो वीक हो जाती हैं, जैसे कि मेनोपॉज, प्रेगनेंसी, एजिंग, हैवी वेट को उठाना, क्रोनिक कफिंग, कॉन्स्टिपेशन. ये जो फैक्टर्स हैं इनकी वजह से हमारी मसल्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा वर्कलोड बढ़ जाता है, स्ट्रेन बढ़ता है, जिसकी वजह से वो वीक हो जाती हैं और आगे चल के हमारी डेली लाइफ एक्टिविटीज़ पे अफेक्ट करती हैं, जैसे लीकिंग ऑफ यूरिन ऑन स्मॉल एक्शंस, लाफिंग, कफिंग, स्नीजिंग, इंक्रीज इन abdominal पेन एंड लोअर बैक पेन, and occurrence of genital prolapse. Pelvic floor exercises helps by relieving pain, strengthening pelvic floor muscles, supporting pelvic organs, preventing leakage of urine and fecal matter, preventing occurrence of genital prolapse.
Get into comfortable position. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees. Now tighten your pelvic floor muscle as if attempting to stop your urine flow. While doing this exercise, you can feel contraction around your vagina. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Now relax. Repeat this exercise for 5 times. As it becomes easier for you, progress to 10 repetitions. Do this exercise 3 times in a day. To maintain your normal breathing pattern, you should count loud during exercise. Firstly, lie down on your back, bend your knees and place a pillow between your knees. Now breathe in, contract your pelvic floor muscle as in Kegel exercises. While exhaling out, squeeze your pillow as hard as you can with your knees and hold for 5 seconds. Now relax and relax your pelvic floor muscle too. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times. Do it again. Breathe in, contract your pelvic floor. While exhaling out, squeeze your pillow. Count up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Lie down on your back and bend your knees at 90 degrees, feet flat and arm at your side with palm facing downward. Now inhale, squeeze your glutes and vaginal muscle as in Kegel exercise while raising your hip off the ground or the mattress. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds and return to the starting position. Do 5 repetitions and progress to 10 to 15 repetitions after you gain strength. Lie on your side comfortably with your knees bent. Now breathe in while slightly exhaling. Lift and contract your pelvic floor muscle. Keeping your feet together, open your legs like a clamshell as far as comfortably you can go. Hold for 3 to 4 seconds and return to the starting position. Now relax your vaginal muscle also. Repeat for 5 times. Sit on the floor with both legs straight out in front of you. Bring the soles of your feet together. Your knees should bend and point outward. Bring your heels as close to your body as you can. Now, by keeping your back straight, push your knees towards the floor or mattress, or you can use your elbow to push your thighs just enough to feel the stretch. Hold this stretch for 10 to 15 seconds. Then relax and repeat for 5 times.
Remember these points before doing these exercises. Always do these exercises with empty bladder. Prevent overdoing them. Avoid lifting heavy weight and doing strenuous work. If pain increases, instantly stop doing exercising.